Hi everyone. Specially tailored for the growing market for luxury saloons in China, the long version of the new Mercedes E-Class celebrated its world premiere at Auto China 2010 with its inclined radiator surround, muscular-shaped rear fender and well-defined boot lid. The design of the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class L embodies status and effortless superiority in a number of its details. Now available in a lengthened version, the model is even better positioned to meet the requirements of the Chinese market in this segment. The vehicle's refined appointments also help to create an extremely impressive and comfortable interior. With a length of 5,012 mm and a wheelbase of 3,014 mm, the new model for China has gained an extra 140 mm in both of these areas compared with the saloon model sold in the rest of the world. As a result, in the rear of the 5-seater vehicle, passengers can enjoy an extra 140 mm of legroom compared with the regular wheelbase Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a model already renowned for its comfort. Another added touch of comfort, the front seats are also electrically adjustable from the rear. In addition to the generously dimensioned interior, the vehicle's high level of safety, typical a Mercedes-Benz car, also sets standards. Unique features include the pre-safe occupant protection system, rear seat safety package with belt force limiters on the outer seats and rear side airbags, as well as attention assist drowsiness detection. A luggage compartment volume of 540 liters and a compact turning circle of 11.25 meters also represent class-leading values for this segment. At the time of its commercial release in June 2010, buyers will have a choice of two petrol engines producing 150 kilowatts, 204 horsepower, and 180 kilowatts, 245 horsepower, as well as several luxury appointment levels. Additional engine variants are expected to become available at a later date. From launch, the 2011 Mercedes E-Class L benefit from a choice of two refined petrol engines featuring high pulling power in the form of the E260 CGI BlueEFFICIENCY, using the latest direct injection technology, and E300. Both models are offered with automatic transmissions that are ideally suited to the respective engine characteristics. Furthermore, transmission control is intelligent and adjusts the shift points adaptively to match the driving profile of the driver. The agility control suspension with selective damping system as standard forms the basis for the highest level of ride comfort. Ground clearance has also been increased. The standard direct steer system provides particular convenience at slow speeds or when parking, since, in conjunction with the speed-dependent service brake, steering effort is reduced thanks to the direct ratio. Thanks for watching.